Hi everybody, it's Lynn. So we're back. We're gonna do our color draw, but I want to talk about a couple things that I've been doing that you haven't seen unless you're a part of behind the scenes stuff. So, I gathered some stuff. I gathered some stuff. Okay, so I'm doing this Quilt, which is right behind me, 101, and I'm up to block 10 now. Every other week you get a new block, and so, but if you're in the behind the scenes stuff, you get to see what I do with those blocks. And so I think that's kept me kind of busy and off for everybody because I've been doing, my necklace is all jacked up, because I've been doing behind the scenes stuff. So, but I wanted to show you just so you get a taste of some of the stuff you can do. So all the blocks that we've done, I make duplicate ofs in other colorways so you can see how those blocks look different not in these colors right here behind me. So those blocks can look completely different. So for example, let me do the overhead. So for example, this block. So this block was, green and purple and pink and stuff. So I changed it to this blue because I had this really neat owl fabric from Art Gallery, and it came in one of my monthly, I think it's quarterly shipments, in my quarterly shipment. And so this block just became really easy. And so what I did is I took this beautiful owl fabric that I love. I love this beautiful owl fabric. And then I cherry picked some colors out of it and did a cute little checkerboard because I love the checkerboard. And did this and made this cute table runner or bed runner or wall hanging on its side, or whatever you want to do with it. Here's the deal, I can't stop making. I just keep making stuff. So anyway, this is a choice 2 of that. And then that was 3 weeks ago or whatever. And then the other one was this. So this is one of the blocks in this quilt too, but I thought, I'd like a Christmassy theme. And these blocks are 10 inches. And if you watch those videos, I'm telling you, free. All of the stuff, I would love for you to buy the pattern. The link is below. But I tell you how to do it. So then, and buying the pattern helps me do these. So then I took the same block that we did and I changed the fabrics. And it was because I had this cute little gnome fabric that, honest to God, I bought last year for a kit that I don't remember what the kit was. I was like, oh, I don't remember what it was. So, and apparently I got out of the mood after Christmas of last year, and I didn't get back in the mood until Christmas time this year. And I'm like, I don't know what that was supposed to be. Sorry. So, but this had a cute border. So it's one of those border fabrics. And I just took it. I cut 10 inches off it, which kind of ended up being a great size for the block, and put this on both ends so that you have your cute gnomes and then you have this cute block, and it carried that all the way through. I loved it, thought it was fun. And then the last one, this is Rachel, don't remember her last name. She's one of Tula Pink's tattoo artists, and she's got a fabric lines. She's been doing fabric lines with Free Spirit. And this is her Birds of the Feather. And I love loons. I think loons are great. And this is the extra one I did. So this is the original block that I teach that came out right here. And what I did is I took checkerboards again and put it around this loon fabric that I loved. And it really just created this fun look. And so I teach you how to make this block. Go watch that video. And then if you want the behind the scenes, you'll see how I did this. But thought that was really fun. Love some loons. And what's neat is this is all the leftover triangles that I cut when you do a certain part of the block. So these are leftover triangles. And I thought, well, that's a cute mug rug or something, right? You can always do it. And I love this purple in here. I just thought that was so fun. Anyway, so that's what I've been doing. Been up to no good, as we do. So, here's the thing. Da-da-da. Crayola. All right. I don't know which one we're going to do. This one feels good. Does that look good? Are we happy? Ooh, dandelion. I feel like we should have done this in spring. Dandelion. Oh, but it's got good ochre color. Okay, I'll do the overhead. Do. Oh, wait. You have to have that first, right? That looks funny. Just double me. So this is dandelion. Oh, it's a pretty yellow. Does it look like the yellow we've already done? Oh, it's darker. Not a whole lot. That's more sunny. This is darker. Dandelion. We did that in week 16. Dandelion. This one's got, okay, so this is week 20. This is our 20th color. Oh, I think it's crazy. Dandelion. I am not going to be able to spell. Okay. I think this is just a little bit, it's a little bit brighter than the yellow one. Like that's more sunny and this is more, it reminds me of rubber ducks. I like yellow though. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. So I'm not going to be, in fact, I have this right in front of me. It's going to be really close to that. Really close to that because it's a deeper, richer yellow kind of thing. And I don't know if you've heard me say this on the last color video, but Aboriginal fabric goes with everything. That's what we know. But wow, dandelion. Okay. Yellow. That's our next one. I'll have to look. Yellow's hard to find, like in the fabric store. I think we paint more yellow in our house than we do using fabrics. And there is I remember taking a class with Gerald Roy, and he said that yellow is one of the hardest colors to use because it catches the light. It catches your eye stronger. And it's kind of one of those slippery colors that you don't realize that this is going to be darker on the value scale than maybe some other fabrics that you would consider to be darker because of how much light it absorbs. So it's a really interesting fabric. I love yellow quilts. I don't think we see enough of them. I think we should make more yellow quilts. Let's start a movement. Let's all make yellow quilts. Let's make dandelion quilts. So I'll have to go for the hunt for that one. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in this, there's a link below as well as other videos. Check those out.